Football, a game for everyone, ika nga. No height limit ang kinakailangan. Kaya naman sa panahon natin ngayon, marami ang nahihilig dito. At isa na nga ang Immaculate Conception Minor Seminary na sinubukan at pinaglinang ang larong football. Kasabay ng kanilang adhikaing mapalakas ang samahan ng mga seminarista at nabigyang pagkakataon ng mga special children na makapaglaro ng normal. Tara, samahan nyo ang may paglaro sa Atletico Seminario Football Club.
Sige, buhatin mo. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake.
I am Father Felix Arrieta Costales, the incumbent rector of Immaculate Conception Minor Seminary. ICMS in the past years had been identified with soccer or football. In the late 70s and early 80s, whenever there is a competition regarding football, it is always ICMS that has been the representative, especially during Era A. I myself had been a football player since first year. As a seminarian, I had been also a soccer player, representative, especially during Era A. Enlightening and very enriching experience rather, na naging part din ako ng history ng football dito sa minor seminary. Kasi noong panahong yon, na whenever as I've mentioned, if there are representatives of football in Ilocos Sur, it would always be ICMS or minor seminary. After the mga mid-80s, parang nawala ng gana, meaning the enthusiasm seemed to have gotten lost here in the seminary. Luckily, the past few years, due to the Ascalmania, that love and enthusiasm for football has come back to ICMS, as we can witness from the number of enthusiasts as young as mga 4 or 5 years old, that even the special children are being introduced sa larong football.
Okay. Oh, next. Hold down. Okay, higa. Go. Go.
By and large, pag tinitingnan natin ang contribution ng ICMS, parang napakalaking bagay na in the resurrection, so to speak, in the resurrection of the football enthusiasm sa Vigan and in the whole country. ICMS had been in the forefront para sa resurrection ng larong football. We are very happy na napakaraming mga individuals, groups, organizations who are extending their hands para sa progress at success ng ongoing parang football enthusiasm.
You can do work. Stop having that.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3.
Your hand.
4, 5.
Yan. Yo, yung pa, kasi yung pa. Sige, buhatin. Shake. Shake. Okay. Ano, drill.
Come here.
So the Special Olympics is a program that is internationally recognized and also nationally recognized around the Philippines. We have been lucky enough to partner with the director of the Special Olympics, who came and did a training for us. And so now he taught us as coaches, and now we want to share our knowledge and include our kids and train athletes from Vigan and Metro Vigan around.
Yeah.
So right now we are focusing on soccer, and we hope to expand it eventually to basketball and volleyball and baseball and track and field, hopefully. But right now we're just starting with this, since this is the experience we have and it's the help we're getting from the community.
Jano! Kick mo lang! Tama! Kick! Sige na! Sige na!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Jumping jacks.
Dito! Sige!
Ay, bot.
Dito sa mga amigas!
Swing.
Sige na!
Jacks. Swing.
We started this Special Olympics with our training of coaches, and I joined the training of this Special Olympics para somehow mayroong part in government as Committee on Education. Part po kami ng Special Olympics na to para maka-encourage din po sa mga kids out there, na especially here in Vigan, na magkaroon po sila ng ganitong activities. We are encouraging them na mag-join dito sa training na to, soccer. Actually, ako dito, baguhan ako dito kasi it so happen na naglalaro ako dito, and ang naisip nilang gawing activity first is ng soccer. So, natuwa naman ako dahil somehow makakatulong sa kanila.
How old are you? How old are you?
Ay, dito mo. Ay, pasang